The idea of Sedmintes Trap is to create filtering stage before the original water of the river go directly to the reservoir and only allow pure water to fill the reservoir and provide fully control of sediments accumulation and confining them in tanks. This is a very efficient and cost-saving solution, as the sediments accumulated in the tank will be discharged periodically through stationary discharge pump that will operate within minimum cost and minimum manpower. The running cost is very low and related only to the operation of the discharge pump, which will operate once the tank is full of sediments. The solution is maintenance free, except the periodic maintenance of the pump, and has low environmental impact, as the sediments will be discharged to the river again. Moreover, tanks are PVC or fiberglass with light weight, which has no environmental impact in the water. As shown, we use 4 tanks with total capacity of 400 meter cube and has total surface area of 150 meters squared. After we suck the accumulated sediments inside the reservoir with the current technique, we will guarantee that using the new technique will give the reservoir the full capacity, which is 100%. The 4 tanks will be fully immersed in the reservoir, and we can put onto them a sheet of soft material to protect the underwater membrane from damage. As shown here, the height of one tank is only 5.5 meters, which is less than the tip of the reservoir. This height will force the movement of sediments to be relaxed and accumulated at the bottom of the tank. The surface area is 20 meters squared per tank and has an upper inlet valve and lower outlet valve. There is a mechanical filter at the top of the tank, which is actually consisting of nylon mesh filter sheet. This mesh contains huge number of openings with widths of 0.11 millimeters, which is more than the sediment width. Therefore, the only water that will fill the reservoir will be pure. The mesh can be opened when maintenance of the tank is needed. Inside the tank, there is another mechanical filter with height of 1.5 meters with wide openings that will extinguish the rapid movement of the water when it fills the tank. Therefore, this will force the movement of the sediments to be more relaxed and be accumulated easily at the bottom of the tank. The water will enter the tank and reach the bottom of the tank through the mechanical filter, which will calm the water movement. And once the tank is full, the pure water will leave the tank through the top mechanical filter and fill up the reservoir, but through time the sediments will accumulate inside the tank. And once the level of sediments reach a high level, it will be discharged through the pump and the new water will take place. We will place the 4 tanks as shown here onshore. After that, an aluminum fixing structure will be connected to fix them. Then we will insert discharge pipes, then charging pipes. After the whole structure is completed, a crane will lift it and put it in the reservoir, where we can easily by a boat push this structure to the middle of the reservoir and start charging it with water, which will sink the structure down.